Hello, my beautiful friends. Today is the day that I filmed my Flosstube, and let's just be honest here for one moment. There is not a whole lot going on. I did receive a gift, and I did do some stitching. If you didn't know, I went to Ontario previously last week, and I did some stitching on the plane, and I did some stitching while I'm there. But I'm not particularly happy with how it turned out. But before we get into it, if you are new here and you don't mind some diamond painting content, because I also post about diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. Flosstubes come out every Wednesday, or I guess from now on Wednesdays when I have something to show. So I have dialed it back. Yes. Oh, let's talk about these. This eyeglass chain has bees on it from, Bev Bee. Abigail Marie bought these for me. I think they're so cute. Abigail Marie bought these for me, and they're just adorable, okay? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Now it's all caught up. It's all caught up. I don't know how that song goes. I think it's like Usher or something. So let's start with what I have been working on. I brought this kit with me to Ontario. I did on the plane. I started stitching in hand. OMG. Stitching in hand. I don't know. Stitching in hand, is that when like besides holding it in your hand, does that mean that like you don't actually go through the bottom, you're just doing the top part? Because if that's what stitching in hand is, that's what happened to me. I started stitching in hand, and oh my gosh, let me tell you, stitching in hand goes so fast, and I love it. It's more fun, it's more enjoyable. I think I like holding it in my hand, stitching in hand. Yes. So this is I don't know if it's finished or not, but I don't know if I want to do the words at the bottom. I'm not happy with the color. Like, I changed the colors. This was originally this is called Shelter from the Storm by Scatter Seed Samplers. And I changed the colors and stuff, but I'm not happy with the colors I chose for the rabbits highlights, like the light brown. I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy with it. So I might rip it out. I don't have a brown that I want to use for it, so I might have to go to the store and buy a brown that I want to use for it. Or part of me is just like, just leave it. This is like your first finish in like years, besides the one I did for Sander West, and I was just like, just leave it. But I think it turned out really cute, minus the highlights that I chose. It kind of makes them look like, those cats that are like junkyard cats, where they're like brown and black and they're just like all over the place. Is that the right term for them? Anyways, that's what it reminds me of. So I kind of like it because it reminds me of junkyard cats, but part of me doesn't like it. And so Abigail Marie calls the back of her. Abigail Marie is my friend on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below. She also cross stitches. She calls the back of her projects the bum or the butt. So this is the butt of my project. It's not super messy. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Again, I know the back doesn't actually matter or anything, but I figured I'd show you the back so I can keep it real. Keep it real, yo. And you can see where I like hopped. I carried the floss here, and I made some knots. But this, like, once I started learning how to stitch in hand, it went by so fast. And I was in the hotel cross stitching when we had downtime. And then I was like, oh, I better stop cross stitching because then I'm not going to have anything left to do on the plane home. And I finished it. So I don't know if I'm going to put Shelter from the Storm at the bottom here. I might just leave it. I'm just going to get a square frame for it and frame it myself because I'm cheap and I'm poor. So that's why I'm going to frame it myself. So that is kind of like my finish. but I'm not happy with it. So I'm going to rip out those colors probably. So it's not really a finish. Then I've been working on the cryptid stitch along. I'm very behind. I fell behind. And so this is what's new. The Jersey Devil and the Enfield Horror. I've just done the frames for them. And then the Chupacabra is the one that was released this week. So I think he goes under here. So I have to do his frame. But before I can start his frame, I want to finish this whole, like the outer frame. I want to finish that first. And then I'll do the Chupacabra frame. And then I think eventually once I'm done that frame, and if I'm all caught up, then I will do the actual cryptids, like the actual characters within the frames. But I'm just doing the frame stuff first because I'm literally so behind. You can kind of see the rest, my Nightcrawler, my Mothman, but that's where I am with the cryptid stitch along. Then my dear friend Randa from Randa's Crafty Corner, who also has a Flosstube channel, which I'll link below, sent me gifts. She sent me Lip Smacker lip balm, like a whole package of them. Thank you so much, Randa. Seriously, I've been using all of them. My friends from Ontario stole 2 of them, but I was like, okay, fine, you can have them. But I've kept the other ones and I've just been using them all because they taste delicious, or they smell delicious, I should say, because you're not supposed to eat lip balm. But she sent me this pattern. This was on my 1-2-3 stitch wish list. Black Cat Society, and this is a something designs by Lisa, keeping you in stitches. So this is the model stitched on 28 count beige Jobelin from Witchelt, and the threads used are the Gentle Art Sampler threads, and it also includes a DMC conversion, and it only uses 3 colors, which is amazing. And I was like, 3 colors, but if you look close, it's basically black, blue, and a lighter blue. Yeah, there's only 3 colors. That's crazy. Oh, 3 colors, and then back stitching has 3 colors as well. So there's that. Yeah. So yeah, I'm excited about this. This is really cute, and I think this will be a really quick finish for me as well. And then she also sent me these Bohin tapestry needles. So thank you. This was also on my 1-2-3 stitch wish list because you can never have enough needles. I thought that I lost one when I was in Ontario, and I was like freaking out because I'm like, no, I don't have my one needle, blah, blah, blah. And I was like so sad, but then I ended up finding it. It was magnetized to my iPad cover. So got more needles though, so that's good. What else? Stuff came in the mail. So my order from 1-2-3 Stitch came, and this was in it. I got these ball tip needles. I haven't tried them yet. But the Easy Guide ball tip needle was created with cross stitchers and hand embroiderer enthusiasts in mind. Each needle features a special mini ball at the tip that helps to navigate through Aida and other linens effortlessly. The ball end easily finds the right spot on your fabric. These needles will help guide every hand stitch you make. So there's that. You can see, you probably can't see, but there's very small they're ball tip needles. There's a ball tip. So there's a little ball tip at the bottom. I have to try these out. I think I'll start tonight. And I got them in size 26. And then my kit from Russia came. My RTO Hair by Night kit came. Is it RTO? Yeah. So it comes with the midnight colored or dark blue Aida. I think this is 14 count. And it also came with all the floss that I need on this nice little cardboard organizer. So here's all the colors that are included. I love them. Oh, there's all the colors that are included. I really like them. And oops, there you go. You can see that there's 30 colors, it looks like. And it comes with the pattern. And it is It is not a full coverage. I know my friend Abigail was asking about that, but no, it's not a full coverage. It's not. Abigail, it is not a full coverage. So it's very cute. I'm very excited to start this one. Just adorable. I don't know when I will start this one, but it is almost at the top of my list. So let's put this stuff away and I'll show you what else came. I'm very excited to show you the next thing because it is super cute and you will see it and then you'll be like, Beverly, that is super cute. And then I'll be like, told you. OMG. Look at this baby out looking for mushrooms. He's so cute. Seriously, this is a Pana kit. Pana, is that how you say it? Pana kit, and it's called mushrooming. And there's just a little cat in a red jacket with some booties on, and he's looking for mushrooms. I haven't actually opened this, so let's open this now and I'll show you what was included in it. So we have our pattern, which I won't show. Here are the flosses that are used. It looks like there's 10. Huh? I'm so confused because it says 1 and 40. I don't know. I think that there's 32 colors. I'm so confused. But I'm not going to unravel it because I know I'll get it like tangled. But there's the colors that we need for it. And then it comes with like this off-white creamy colored Ada. And it also comes with a needle. So that's handy. I don't know if the other one came with a needle, but that's handy. I like this. This color is like, it's like what I would call a boring color because it's literally like beige, and oh, I'm like eating this. It's like a beige color, but I don't know. I like this. I like this color a lot because I think it will match the mushrooming. Well, obviously that's the whole point, but the pattern is like, looks super huge. Super huge. But what can I tell you about this kit? It contains Gamma Ada K16 fabric, an embroidery needle, Gamma stranded cotton on a loaded organizer, embroidery instructions and color chart. The size of the embroidery includes framing allowances, so that's good. So yeah, that's this kit, which is super cute. I don't know when I'll start this one. For me, I would like to have a finish that I can be happy with. So I'm going to continue working on my skull sampler. If you guys remember, you might have to look back in to my first Flosstube video to see the skull sampler I'm referring to. But I might have to, I want to finish that one so I can frame it and be all cool with like an actually framed piece behind me instead of this. Behind this is actually a shelf with contents that aren't YouTube. No. Well, I guess behind it is a shelf and it is very messy and disorderly. So I literally just took this wall thing that has a hole in it and I just put it behind me because I moved my desk, but my desk is going to be moved again. So there's no point in organizing the shelf behind me because my desk is going to be moved. So that's my secret. If you're watching this, you know my secret. But that's basically all I have to share with you guys. I don't have a lot going on. Like I haven't ordered anything. I've cut back on ordering. And like I talked about it in my previous Flosstube video that I'm just like trying to cut back on buying things because I've accumulated so many patterns, and I know that some other people have way more patterns than me, but I've accumulated so many patterns like in my case, like for myself, that I want to work on them before I start getting even more patterns. And there's like the patterns that I've been buying, like I really want to do, but I can't keep buying patterns I really want to do if I haven't done previous patterns that I already have. And so my order from 123 Stitch also included this, which is a diamond painting, which I do diamond paint, so that's fine. But I thought that I had ordered, because this also comes as a cross stitch kit. Notice that I like black cats, but I thought that I had added to my cart the cross stitch kit, but I guess I accidentally added the diamond painting kit. So yeah, I'm gonna have to buy the cross stitch kit for this because I would like to do all of the seasons. This is City and Cats autumn, and then there's like winter and summer and spring, that type of thing. But I accidentally ordered a diamond painting kit. Makes me sad. It makes me very sad. But that's all I have to share with you guys this week. What are you guys working on? Let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't introduced yourself yet, introduce yourself. I like new friends. Do you like friends? I'll be your friend. Introduce yourself and we can chat. Again, if you like cross stitch, I do post videos. I try and post videos every Wednesday just to update you guys on my progress. But the majority of my channel is diamond painting. So if you do subscribe, which I would love it if you subscribe, you will have to see some diamond painting videos. But maybe that will enable you, if you're just a cross stitcher, to try diamond painting, because diamond painting is equally as fun. I think right now, though, I really prefer cross stitch over diamond painting. I'll have to admit. I have to admit that. Don't get mad at me if you're a diamond painter. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.